So in light of everything that's going on with the raids and detentions, I thought I'd come on here and give a little bit of information about some things that you can do if you come in contact with ICE. The State Bar would also like for me to clarify that none of this is legal advice, just information. So the first thing to remember if you come into contact with ICE agents is to stay calm. There is no reason to give law enforcement or ICE any excuse that they really don't need to escalate the situation. So stay calm. The other thing to remember is that if you are at home, you have the right to refuse that agent entry into your home unless they can show you a warrant signed by a judge. You do, however, have less rights when you're not at home, when you're in your car, or when you're in a public place, for example. So to the extent that you can, stay at home. Again, that's not always possible, but to the extent that you can avoid any unnecessary trips outside of your home, consider doing that. If you are detained, remember to keep silent and to ask for an attorney. You do not have to provide any information, and you absolutely should not provide any false information or show any false documents to a federal agent. You are entitled to a phone call, so it would be important for you to memorize the number of someone who you know will answer the phone if you call, and if you have an attorney, memorize their number as well. And finally, and probably most importantly, do not sign anything. Don't sign anything that any agent puts in front of you. Do not sign anything that is not given to you by your own attorney. Hope this information helps.